succeeded in the command given to them, but he was not one of them. He was a jinn, and as such he was supposed to be inferior to the angels. What is clear is that this prostration was to show respect and did not mean that the angels were worshipping Adam. Prostrating in worship is done only for Allah. Almighty Allah recounted the story of Iblis's refusal to prostrate before Adam. Remember when your Lord said to the angels, "I am going to create a man, Adam, from sounding clay of outer black smooth mud. So when I have fashioned him completely and breathed into him, Adam, the soul which I created for him, then fall you down prostrating yourselves unto him." So the angels prostrated themselves all